In this video, you will learn the basics of four-part harmony. When you compose or arrange music, you want to have the smoothest voice leading from one chord to the next. Using four-part harmony is the best way to learn this. Why four-part harmony? Four-part harmony accounts for the whole range of human voices, from the lowest notes to the highest notes, and everything in between. Even instrumental and choral music at the beginning stages of composing can be written with four-part harmony in mind. For example, the orchestral strings can be treated as a four-part choir. First violins on top, then second violins, then violas in the middle, and cellos plus double basses together for the lowest part. The chord voicings are organized as soprano, alto, tenor, and bass. The ranges of the four voices represent the normal span of human voices, and for learning purposes, we will stay within those limits. The soprano range is from middle C to high G, sometimes A. The alto range is from low G below middle C to C, sometimes D. The tenor range is from C to F above middle C, sometimes G. The bass range is from F, sometimes E, to middle C, sometimes D. Since triads are three-note chords, the root is doubled when the chord is in root position. The soprano has the stems up, and the alto has the stems down on the treble clef. The tenor has the stems up, and the bass has the stems down on the bass clef. In these examples, some intervals are placed close together, while others are wide apart. When the three upper voices, soprano, alto, and tenor, are within the span of one octave, they are in what is called closed position. When the tenor and the soprano are an octave or more, the chord is in open position. The largest distance between the soprano and the alto should not be more than an octave. The same applies between the alto and the tenor. The distance between the tenor and the bass can be more than an octave. The bass is resonant enough to support itself. In four-part harmony, melodic lines should be smooth and independent. To achieve this, move each voice to the shortest distance possible. Voice crossing should be avoided, except to create melodic interest, and avoid parallel fifths and octaves. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. You can also leave a comment or a question in the comment section below.